Hi, friends. I'm Leslie Josel, owner and principal of Order Out of Chaos, and I am so excited to have the opportunity to come back across the pond to speak to you at your 2022 APDO conference. Now, some of you might remember, hopefully, that I actually had the privilege of presenting 2 workshops at your 2018 conference. So a little bit about me. I started my business 18 years ago. I went house to house, door to door, family to family as an organizer who specialized in ADHD and chronic disorganization. Now, fast forward 18 years later, I am the principal of a global virtual community of thousands and thousands of parents with neurodiverse children, as well as related professionals and even organizers like yourself who come to us for products and programs, workshops, webinars, and coaching. So with that in mind, I am excited to present as a keynote, creating multiple streams of income for your business. Now, I have to be honest with you. I feel that learning how to diversify your business should be an absolutely required course for all organizers. If the last 2 years have taught us anything, it's how critical it is not to have all of our eggs in one basket and the importance of developing multiple streams of income. So while we all hope that we have this pandemic behind us, we need to really be ready to deal with all kinds of unplanned events and ensure that if they occur, we're not left stranded. But I'm not just going to be talking in generalities. I'm going to literally rip open the curtain and show you how I took all the things that I was doing in my business and figured out not only how to monetize them, but how to capitalize on other opportunities that I created. Now, besides spending time with all of you, which is, yes, my #1 priority, I have what I call my English guilty pleasure. Yes, the Great British Bake Off. So please help a girl out. I want to find some of my favorites from the tent, maybe sample some of their food, stalk them a little bit. So I'm looking for help there. Okay, in all seriousness, I cannot wait to present at your APDO conference and see you all in person in May. Thanks so much and stay healthy.